Why you were never ordinary. What if I told you that your very existence beat odds so impossible they're almost incomprehensible? Trillions of events, cosmic explosions, ancient stars dying, perfect alignments across billions of years had to happen exactly right just for you to be breathing right now. Not lucky, not random, extraordinarily rare. Yet most people live as if they're ordinary, as if they're just here, replaceable, forgettable. But what if that's the biggest lie we've all been sold? Stay with me, because once you see the truth, you'll never look at yourself or your life the same way again. Take a breath. Not the shallow kind you take while multitasking. Not the automatic kind. A real breath, the kind that pulls you back into the present moment. Because this moment matters more than you realize. You are here. And yes, that sounds obvious. But obvious truths are often the ones we ignore the most. Out of countless possibilities. Out of timelines that never happened. Out of lives that never began. This is the one that did. Yours. You didn't arrive late. You didn't arrive early. You arrived exactly when you did. And whether you believe in destiny, faith, the universe, or pure probability, the conclusion is the same. Your existence is not meaningless. Yet so many people live as if it is. They treat themselves like background characters in their own lives. They silence their instincts. They shrink their dreams. They play small because it feels safer. But deep down, there's always that quiet voice. The one that whispers, there has to be more than this. That voice isn't random. It's not weakness. It's not ingratitude. It's memory. It's the part of you that remembers who you are beneath the noise, beneath the expectations, beneath the fear. Because you were never meant to simply pass time. You were meant to become. There has never been another you. Not in history. Not now. Not ever again. Your mind shaped by your experiences. Your perspective shaped by your pain and your growth. Your timing shaped by everything you've survived. It can't be copied. And once you truly understand that, you stop asking, am I enough? And you start asking the question that actually changes lives. What am I here to grow into? Life isn't just something that happens to you. Life is something that unfolds through you. And unfolding doesn't always look graceful. Sometimes it looks like confusion. Sometimes it looks like delay. Sometimes it looks like starting over, again and again. You are not unfinished because you're broken. You're unfinished because you're alive. You are a work in progress. And that means the chapter you're in right now, even if it feels heavy, slow, or lonely, is not the end of the story. I know some of you are tired. Not physically tired. Soul tired. The kind of tiredness that sleep doesn't fix. You've been holding yourself together quietly. You've been functioning while feeling disconnected. You've been carrying weight that no one else can see. And maybe people think you're fine. Maybe you're the strong one, the reliable one, the one who always shows up. But inside, you've been fighting silent battles. If that's you, hear this clearly. The fact that you're still standing is not a weakness. It's evidence of strength. Not loud strength. Not dramatic strength. Real strength. The kind that survives without applause. The kind that keeps going even when nothing makes sense. The kind that stays alive when giving up would be easier. You are not strong because life was gentle with you. You are strong because it wasn't. And yes, sometimes you wonder if your life has meaning. You wonder if anyone would notice if you stopped trying. If your presence actually makes a difference. If your dreams matter. Purpose doesn't always arrive as a lightning bolt. More often, it arrives as persistence. Purpose looks like continuing when you feel unseen. Purpose looks like choosing kindness when bitterness would be justified. Purpose looks like staying human in a world that rewards numbness. The world will try to convince you that your value comes from achievement, from productivity, from money, from recognition, but value doesn't work like that. Your value existed before you proved anything. You matter because you exist. And inside you is something the world has never seen before, not because it's perfect, but because it's yours. You may not know what that thing is yet. That's okay. Purpose is not discovered like a lost object. Purpose is built like a fire. At first, it's small, easy to doubt, easy to ignore. But if you keep feeding it with curiosity, discipline, honesty, it grows. Some of you are waiting for certainty before you move. A sign, a guarantee, a clear path. But clarity doesn't come before action. It comes from it. Life doesn't give you the whole map. It gives you the next step. That quiet pull you feel towards something more. That sense that you're meant for growth, not stagnation. That's not imagination. That's alignment trying to happen. Because you were not designed to repeat days until they blur together. You were designed to transform. And transformation is uncomfortable. Sometimes it feels like losing what you thought defined you. Sometimes it feels like outgrowing people who once felt like home. Sometimes it feels like standing alone with no clear direction. But growth always asks for space. And that space is created when you let go of who you had to be to survive, so you can become who you're meant to be, to live. Starting over is not failure. Starting over is bravery. You might be holding on to habits that once protected you, but now they're limiting you. You might be holding on to a story where pain defines you, because it explains everything. But eventually, the story that explains your past becomes the cage that blocks your future. And the moment you decide to rewrite that story, not erase it, not deny it, but grow beyond it, that's when life begins to shift. Your past can shape you, but it doesn't own you. You are not your worst moment. You are not your biggest regret. You are not the voice that doubted you. You are the one who survived it. And one of the most damaging lies people believe is this: I'm too late. Too late to change. Too late to start. Too late to matter. That's not true. That's fear wearing logic as a disguise. You're not late. You're preparing. A seed doesn't look like a tree while it's underground. A storm doesn't look like clarity while it's passing. A person doesn't look like their future while they're becoming it. Stop judging your progress by visibility. Some of the most important work happens where no one is watching. While you're becoming, life will introduce you to people. Some will guide you. Some will test you. Some will mirror parts of yourself you've avoided. Every interaction carries meaning. That's why respect matters. Not access. Access must be earned. But respect. Because every person you encounter is fighting something invisible. And one day, without realizing it, you might be the moment that changes someone else's direction. A word. A gesture. A presence. The world doesn't change through grand moments alone. It changes through ordinary decisions made consistently. and you have more power than you think. Not control over everything, but control over who you choose to become. You can choose growth over comfort, healing over avoidance, discipline over excuses. Even when it's hard, even when fear is loud, courage isn't the absence of fear. Courage is choosing not to let fear decide your life. Success isn't just applause and numbers. Real success is inner alignment. It's waking up without betraying yourself. It's becoming someone you respect. Sometimes, success is simply choosing hope again. Hope is risky, but without it, life slowly fades. So if you've lost hope, borrow mine for a moment. You're closer than you think. Not because everything is perfect, but because you're still here, still searching, still listening, still becoming. That quiet voice inside you hasn't gone silent, and it won't. You weren't made to shrink. You weren't made to live in fear of opinions. You were made to expand, to grow, to become the person you once needed. And if no one has reminded you lately, you are not invisible. You are not forgotten. You are not meaningless. You are becoming. And one day, you'll look back and realize the hardest season didn't end you. It shaped you. And the life you're growing into will prove what was true all along. You were never ordinary. You were always becoming the best version of yourself.